introduction.
Hi, my name is Abdul and I own 717 Tacos. I bought my first truck when I started the company in March of 2017, and I bought it here from Adam at Rolling Kitchens. And I didn't really know what I wanted in a truck, being new in the business, and Adam helped me out, and so my adventure began. Since then, I am just picking up my fourth truck right now from Adam. And each truck I tweaked a little bit, second truck, third truck, and Adam's great at working with people. I looked everywhere before I landed over here. They have, in my opinion, the best quality trucks at a fair price. They have done anything I asked for, any changes, or very, very accommodating. They will special custom build a truck for you, whatever you want. Once you know what you want in your business, these are the guys to come see, because they will work with you. They give you a blueprint of exactly what your truck's going to look like and give you a time frame when you're going to be able to pick up the truck. And they haven't failed me yet. Every single time, they've done a great job of it. And I would highly recommend them. My business has been able to grow because of them. Every time I call, they're ready to go to work for me and find me something, or they'll custom fit a truck for you if you have your own truck. So I would recommend them anytime and give them a try. You won't be disappointed.